Hallo, guten Tag, ich heiße Haley und hier ist das Wetter für heute und das Earthquakes. Right, so last earthquake, Las Vegas urban area, Nevada, apparently near Boulder City and Las Vegas Bay, wherever that is, 1.6 magnitude. I apparently have already gone out and clicked on something there. Strongest earthquake, that's what that was. South Indian Ocean, out near Madagascar. That's where you go hang out if there's ever like a plague or something. That's what a flash game says, because Madagascar, oh, is closing the borders, baby. High temperatures for today, weird shapes with it all curving around. That's kind of like a bicep, isn't it? Like somebody, there's a bodybuilder over here, here's their arm, they're like pumping up, and like the bicep is where the elbow is, apparently. So very deformed muscle-wise. Right. Low temperatures tonight, apparently -5 there. Yeesh. And winter. Basically, that's what all of this is. So there's so many colors, and I always get them all confused. Oh, but I do know this. This is the freezing rain area, but everything else is like some sort of winter storm advisory. Red flag warning, that's some sort of winter thing. There's a winter thing here, a winter thing there, flooding, stuff like that. That is air stagnation advisory. And I tried looking at this stuff. So this is like day one. This is the Hydrometeorological Prediction Center. Here's one of the national forecast charts. And this, it looked like it matched up, but then I looked at day two. There we go. Well, see, it's showing heavy snow possible all up in there. Whoops. I hate that it does that so quickly. So day two, it's like, here's the day two for this type of composite chart, and it doesn't look a thing like the day two that's over here. So heavy snow possible, all these areas. So there should be like heavy snow here. So I have no idea, but day one, I guess, is accurate enough or something. So we're going to look at that today. Right. Here's the one that doesn't always have something. It's the freezing rain probability of ice accumulation of at least 1/4 inch. There is at least a 10% probability that in this New Mexico, Texas, Oklahoma area we'll see ice. Freezing rain. What's the difference? Freezing ice? That's redundant, right? Anyway, this is the snow accumulation of at least 4 inches, of at least 8, and at least 12. So we've got a high probability that some of these areas in red will see at least 4 inches. And then over here, at least 10% chance today that there will be at least 8 inches. And, you know, I'm going to have to go through and experience winter and start measuring stuff, because it's like, I'm not sure what the human impact is of that sort of snow. And then it probably matters a little bit more for, I think they call it wet snow. Is that a thing? Where, you know, it's heavier instead of just light, fluffy stuff. So I have no idea what to make of this, you know, compared to that. So we'll just look at this one, because it looks like it might be more accurate. I have no idea. Snow apparently all up in the white areas, and then heavy snow possible for a large bit of the country, and then a heart-shaped flash flooding area. Right, so in severe thunderstorm terms, nothing. So here's day one's outlook in terms of a thunderstorm chance, but nothing severe today. And then tomorrow, same story. Nothing. It kind of looks like a heart as well. Heart over Texas and Oklahoma. So that's your thunderstorm area, and then no chance of severe weather. So, right, here's day three's confusing thing, if you want to look at that too. And over on the National Hurricane Center, there was nothing. So I'm going to keep looking at it daily, but I'm probably going to stop covering it and even mentioning it, because apparently hurricane season is over. Yep. And also, here's your segue or something. You know what else is over, right? Didn't I use a segue yesterday? I'm duplicating stuff. Right, WickedWix, WICKEDWX.com is where you can check on the severe thunderstorms that are not happening. Or maybe it's your feel-good site, because you can go there and say, oh, thank goodness, no severe thunderstorms. I'm going to, of course, get a bucket of snow dumped on me, but no severe thunderstorms. Right, so enjoy your weekend of snow, apparently, if you're in a large part of the country.